Blown circuit and supercharger, fully fucked up, supercharger fucked up.
I just told him keep the car. Give me this one.
I literally knew he wasn't gonna go to the slow side, girl. I was like, no way he's gonna get a C8.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Just got a call from our homie Bear. He got a new car. We don't know what it is. I'm with Eco right now. We're in the daily. For the daily. The Corvette is parked at home. We're gonna go to Shawarma Loco right now to see what Bear got. We have some guesses, but I have no idea. So let me tell you guys. A week ago, when I was wrapping my car, he calls me. We were on FaceTime for like 2 hours, and I was convincing him to get a Corvette. And he drove my car and he loved it, but he didn't think it's fast enough because the GT500 is faster than my car. He was thinking about the Z06, but he went and saw a couple of Z06s at the dealers, but they were marked up so high, and he's like, that's not worth it. I'm not gonna spend that much money. And then he's like, maybe if I find a dealer that lowers their markup, I'll go with the Z06. Or he's gonna get a Corvette, but like a Stingray, but twin turbo or pro charge it. So he said either I'm gonna Stingray and do that to it, or get a Z06 right away. I don't know still, but I don't know what car he got. Today he calls me, he tells me I got the car. We're FaceTiming, and from the dealer, I kind of could tell it's a Chevy dealer. But then when he turns around, I see a Ford car. I see a GT500. I was like, are you at a Ford dealer? He's like, I don't know, am I? I was like, did he get a GT500 or a Corvette? And he said, I don't know, but I'll tell you this. What if they have a trade-in car? What if they have this? He's not telling me what it is. But what I'm confused about is, well, Eco thought it was a Corvette too.
Look, let me say this. What you think he got? He had a 500 before.
Yeah,
right?
Do you think he got another 500?
But
I don't know about
if
that.
It's another 500, I mean, it's not the regular one. It's the...
It has to be like the track pack or like a special edition.
He's not gonna sell this one or trade it in and get another one. And this one is like fully built, like not fully but almost fully built.
Yeah, it has wrap, the lights, everything.
So I'm assuming it's
exhaust.
either something different or a 500
with a higher pack.
With a higher pack, like either like carbon wheels with all that shit, or a C8 Z06.
I'm guessing a Z06. Let me tell you this, guys. Also, he told me to print him the Instagram decals. The Instagram decal says GT500. It does not say it's a Z06, it's a Corvette or like something else. If it's not a GT500, why would he tell me to do that? Maybe is he doing it to trick me?
He's probably gonna do it just to pick everyone.
Yeah, or maybe he's doing it because he wants to keep his old Instagram name. Because some people, when that happens, like, you know what, I'm gonna just keep it.
Like,
it's a cool name.
Imagine me getting another car. What do you think? I'm gonna change it or keep it the Eco Sting?
I think you should keep the Eco Sting. Everyone knows the Eco Sting.
Maybe that's the same thing with.
Yeah, exactly. And maybe he knows it's the GT500, so he keeps it like that.
Well, we're gonna know in 15 minutes.
Comment before we get there, before we do all that. Comment down below right now. Do you think Bear got a GT500, Corvette Z06, or a Corvette Stingray? Let me know right now in the comments.
But wait, what if a Hellcat?
I don't think Bear's not
right. Imagine
if you guys think another car, drop the comments down below. Think about it. Drop all you think in the comments. Don't cheat. Don't skip ahead. Don't be that guy. Bro, this is crazy. We're not gonna show him yet. Well, how do you feel?
Dude, I feel great.
New car, new you.
Yes, sir.
Oh no! Don't shoot what I was in there.
I won't shoot. Let me see it.
Grape. Got the Orbeez. Hold on. You mother. You can see the carbon wheels. I didn't want to hit the new car.
Not the new car. No, don't give it to that car.
We're gonna catch Imad Lakin right now. Sheesh. Hit it. Oh, he just aired out on you. All over you.
Oh, you know? Maybe it's there.
I know, Imad, he's on a headglitch mounted and everything. Blown circuit and supercharger, fully fucked up, supercharger fucked up.
Happened all.
How much in repairs was that gonna be?
1,500 just for a police swap, but then they don't know about the supercharger if they have to replace the whole thing or not, and it wasn't covered under warranty.
No warranty.
Oh, you
Supercharger was 22K though.
22.
Yeah.
Brand new one.
including installation and everything.
But you just told him like it's Ford's fault and
So
he tried to...
no, I just told him keep the car. Give me this one.
The old one.
So they took it as it is. It has that problem. It has no cats. It has no resonators. It has no mufflers. It doesn't have the stock air intake.
It's wrapped.
It has the flames. It's wrapped.
The headlights.
It needs a new whole splitter from the front, belly pan, and the new splitter wickers.
And
it has
the
38,000
headlights?
miles on it. Well, I'll take off the headlights, bro.
Yeah, you better take it out.
Yeah, I'm gonna take off the wing tomorrow, like from the other one, and put my OEM one back on it. So,
And how much do they buy it for?
70.
It's missing half the car and they still bought it for 7.
I mean, for them it's a good deal. Bro.
Yeah.
They signed already, so tomorrow when they know they
Well,
can't
I mean,
sell that.
you pay 22,000 to change the supercharged. They probably changing that shit for like 5 grand, 6 grand in house.
They're not paying like.
But they'll probably write it down as a loss though.
Yeah, and then they're gonna get tax reductions off of it, sell it to another customer for like
And then
80,
they're gonna
90.
move this one out.
Yeah, and then they get to make profit on this one because
I know they-
he said this is 2022.
Bear,
Yeah.
do you remember?
So
when-
it's been sitting there. So for them to,
No, they only had this like for a week, bro. Maybe 2.
why is it not a 2023?
bro.
They don't have 2023s. 22 was the last year that they manufactured
Oh.
them. So that's why these cars are worth a lot more. 22.
22.
Yeah.
Hey,
Do you remember?
your friend
the
is
white
here.
one was at Villa Ford?
This is the white one at Billboard. But this is the white one.
Congratulations.
Thank you, bro. This is the white one that was at Villa Ford.
But you remember one time I went there, I recorded, I took a picture of the white 500 the carbon wheels. And then he told me that's gonna be the next car.
Oh yeah.
I still remember that day. Is it this one or that's a new
No,
one?
this is a different one. Yeah. Because they had a black one, basically mine,
I knew he
but a
wasn't gonna
carbon
go to the slow
fiber.
side. I literally knew he wasn't gonna go to the slow side, girl. I was like, no way he's gonna get a
Damn, he's talking shit about the C8s, bro.
Yeah.
He says it's slow
he
side.
still wants to get gapped. It's
Definitely,
okay, we'll write
definitely
it.
staying on the fast side. Come on now. Good job.
Sold a 500, got a 500.
Bro, got a better 500.
Yeah.
No more flames, bro.
Wait,
I'm
it
not
says
doing that.
engine open. It says that's the fake.
Let's check the engine out.
The fake supercharger.
It's actually
It's the same thing.
Yeah, it's just EcoBoost body stuff, bro.
At least this one, when you push the pins,
I went to i5 Auto House. They have the body kit, the wide body GT500 kit.
actually yeah, it looks like the i5 fucking white body.
hand built with pride. What do you say about pride?
What?
Right?
What? What does it say?
Hand built with pride.
Damn, it's gay.
It's gay. That's why I don't drive Mustangs. That's why I'm on the Corvette side. There's no pride on our side, bro. You stay with the pride side.
There's no supercharger on your side either.
The first startup for the stock is the GT500 track pack.
It's not gonna be so for long.
It's a track pack GT500. Imagine.
I think it's open. I think the door is open.
The hood is open.
I know there's something open.
The hood is
Something's
open. It's your hood. Because you opened the hood, so
No, I don't think so. Right?
Yeah, it is the hood.
What?
yeah.
Oh.
I didn't smack it. I let it sit down.
It's already broken? Damn, it's already broken.
Yeah, see, the hood is open. Because I didn't want to slam it. Yeah, a little hard.
Bear, just return it, bro. Get a new one. It's swap? The lemon law this shit. Auto start don't work. I need a fucking pack.
Here we go again. Take 2. Cold start for Issa'S GT500. Oh, that's it?
That's it.
That's it? Oh, your neighbors like you now, huh? Your neighbors like you.
Hey, look.
It's outside. Let's go fucking get that shit.
Do what with it?
Let's unhaul wire.
Do y'all want to go there?
No,
Actually, don't you have to pop the hood? Do you have the extra key still?
I have the Ford app.
I have the Ford out. He can unlock it from his phone. Yeah, low key.
You can open it.
No, I say just leave it, bro. They signed it. That's it.
Bills.
Gonna put the first
Nigga, that's too small.
You said make it smaller than my Mustang Corvette.
That one was that big.
No,
I meant like
my window's this small. You told me to make it smaller. That's on you. No, look, mine was 7 inches. He said make it a little bit smaller. I made it 5.5.
I didn't know 7 inches was this big.
Oh.
Hey, my 3-incher, bro.
It's because you looked at my window, and my window on the Corvette is like this. So mine fills it up.
It's probably 7 inches diagonal.
No, 7 inches. Right, yeah. I can make you new ones, but
Yeah, we'll make. I was thinking of like something this big.
so 7 inches. So like the same as my
So,
Corvette.
like-
I put these on for now.
Hero's about to put
The first mod.
the first mod. 10 horsepower. That's 10 horsepower right
10
there.
horsepower.
Another 10 on the other side. So this will be pushing 780 already. Within the first 2 hours of buying the car, Hero already blessing us.
Nigga wanna go do dumb shit. The type of nigga that I know I can't run with.